Are you trying to decide between Eleventy and Hugo for your next web project? You're not alone. In this video, we'll compare these two popular static site generators. Both Eleventy and Hugo help you build fast, simple websites. They take your content and turn it into static pages. This means your site can load quickly and handle lots of visitors without slowing down. Let's start with Eleventy. It's a flexible tool that uses JavaScript. Eleventy is great for developers who like to customize their sites. It supports many template languages, so you can choose the one you prefer. Plus, it has an easy setup process, making it beginner friendly. Now, let's look at Hugo. This tool is written in Go. Hugo is known for its speed. It can generate a site in seconds, even if it has a lot of content. It comes with built-in templates, which means you can get started quickly. Hugo is also very efficient with resources, making it suitable for larger projects. So, what are the main differences? Eleventy offers more flexibility with templates, while Hugo focuses on speed. If you want to customize every detail, Eleventy might be better for you. But if you need to create a large site quickly, Hugo is the way to go. When it comes to features, both tools have their strength. Eleventy has a rich plugin ecosystem, allowing you to add extra functionality easily. Hugo, on the other hand, has strong support for multi-language sites and content management. In terms of pricing, both Eleventy and Hugo are free to use. You can start building your site without spending any money. So, who should choose what? If you love flexibility and customization, go with Eleventy. If speed and efficiency are your top priorities, Hugo is the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.